Hi, hope you're having a good day. This is a wallet page that I've done for our website. I've done the API and front end, and back end of this page was done by Audi. And as you can see on the right side, there is an order summary from the basket. So when a customer wants to check out from a basket, they come to this page and they can purchase the selected items that they have in the basket that I've only done the front end. The back end was supposed to be done by Audi. And in the middle part, we have two buttons. There is a refund button policy and returning an item policy, which I'm going to show you in future. There is also online exchange rate that is updated and live, so customers don't need to go on another website to change the exchange rate. They can just see it here because we wanted our website to be international. And also there is a wallet for each customer, so they can top up and they can add money to their wallet, which I'm going to show you now. And I try to make my page beautiful by adding some css, so whenever you hover on some buttons, it's gonna change the color of it and some animations, which I'm gonna show you now. Which, as you can see, there is animation to the button, and when I click on it, here they can add money by putting their card details. So first of all, the card number, it must be 16 digits, and they cannot input any other things rather than numbers. And if I press process, as you can see, an error will pop up that you need to fill in all the options. So next, for the expiry date, I've made it that whenever someone puts the 3 digits, a slash will be inputted automatically, so they don't need to put the slash, and they only need to put in 4 digits and numbers. And for the CVV, it must be 3 digits, and they cannot put more than 3 digits. The process button will work now because all of the inputs are correct, but what if the inputs aren't correct? So for example, the credit card number must be 16 digits. So let's like delete 2 digits and try 14 digits. So an error will come up saying that the credit card number needs to be 16 digits. And if I add 2 digits now, it works now. It's the same for expiry date. So for example, let's delete two of the digits for the expiry date and try it to process. So there is an error coming up that expiry date needs to be 4 digits, and it needs to be a slash between them, and it works if I put it correctly. And it's same for CVV. So let's delete one of the digits. So as you can see, there is an error coming up, and if I put it back, it works. So the next part is the refund and returning item button. So if I click on it, a new page will come up saying that with the text containing about a refund policy, which you can read. And there is also a returning an item policy that you can see. If I click on it here, the page will come up, and if I press OK, it will go back. I've also connected the home page to our landing page. So when they press on the home page, they go back to the landing page, which eFetch is gonna fix it. Because I gave my page to eFetch because he's gonna do it from his branch and push everything to main to have a flawless website. This is also my code. So this is the JSX part. As you can see, it's connected to my CSS, and these are the APIs for the exchange rates that I've already mentioned, that they are live and they're updated. So it's basically a JavaScript code that is connected to my JSX file. And after this is the code that is meant to be for the credit card details, that they can only put in digits and not any other things rather than digits. And also the code for the expiry date, which is a slash will be inputted automatically after the user put in the third digit for the expiry date. And these are the errors for each one of them. And here is the main JSX order. So that's the contact and home button, and that's the exchange part. And if I go down, that's the box for the credit card details. And if I go more down, is the summary of the order from the basket page, which I've done the front end. And now I'm going to show you the CSS. So this is the CSS part. I try to make it more professional and more beautiful by putting some hovering animation and transitions. So I'll also use the same background as others. First, I had another background, but then I changed it because I wanted to be a smooth website and all the backgrounds would be the same with others. And and I hope you liked the front end and API for my wallet page and I could meet your expectations.